Arcmax Architects proposed tiny resort concept located at Dimahasao, Assam, where luxury, sustainability, and mindful living nature's beauty. Reimagined by Arcmax Architects, imagine waking up to the serene sounds of birds chirping, the crisp morning air infused with the scent of fresh pine, and a breathtaking panoramic view of mountains, forests, or pristine beaches right outside your window. Today's travelers seek more than just a stay. They crave immersive experiences in nature that rejuvenate the soul. From the rolling hills of the countryside to hidden forest retreats and beachfront sanctuaries, stunning landscapes have become the heart of modern travel experiences. The allure of untouched natural beauty, combined with sustainable living, is reshaping the hospitality industry. And that's where the tiny resort concept emerges as a game changer. The rise of sustainable and unique travel experiences. Modern travelers, especially millennials and Gen Z, are redefining luxury. The focus has shifted from extravagance to exclusivity, sustainability, and personalized experiences. Eco conscious tourism is on the rise, with travelers actively seeking accommodations that align with their values, low environmental impact, sustainable architecture, and immersive nature based living. Why are travelers choosing sustainable tiny resorts? Because 1. Minimal footprint, maximum experience. Guests prefer boutique stays that seamlessly blend into nature rather than large scale resorts. 2. Wellness and mindfulness. The demand for secluded getaways that promote wellness, relaxation, and digital detoxing is growing. 3. Eco friendly living. Sustainability is no longer an option but a necessity. Green architecture, solar powered energy, rainwater harvesting, and eco friendly interiors define the new age travel experience. Introducing the tiny resort concept. Proposed by Arcmax Architects. The tiny resort concept is an innovative approach to hospitality that marries luxury, sustainability, and mindful living. These boutique resorts consist of thoughtfully designed tiny homes, eco lodges, or modular cabins that provide high end comfort while preserving the environment. Key features of a tiny resort proposal by Arcmax Architects. 1. Eco friendly architecture, designed with sustainable materials, energy efficient systems, and minimal ecological footprint. 2. Compact yet luxurious. Intelligent space utilization ensures a cozy, high end experience without unnecessary extravagance. 3. Close to nature. Nestled in scenic locations, from mountain retreats to lakeside escapes, offering travelers a chance to disconnect from the hustle and reconnect with nature. 4. Self sustaining energy. Solar panels, water recycling, and off grid capabilities make these resorts an eco conscious traveler's paradise. 5. Experiential living. Adventure activities, wellness retreats, and mindful travel experiences enhance the stay. A new standard in luxury travel. The tiny resort movement is not just a trend, it is the future of sustainable hospitality. As luxury redefines itself with eco consciousness, exclusivity, and meaningful experiences, travelers are embracing this revolutionary concept. Whether it's a floating villa, a treehouse retreat, or a modular cabin in the wild, the tiny resort is creating a new benchmark in experiential travel. Why you choose Arcmax Architects for tiny resort? Design and planning. At Arcmax Architects and Planners, we specialize in designing boutique tiny resorts that are both breathtaking and sustainable. Our expertise in eco resort planning ensures that your vision is transformed into a one of a kind destination that blends seamlessly with its surroundings. Whether you are developing a forest hideaway, a beachside retreat, or a mountain lodge, Our innovative designs will make your tiny resort a landmark of luxury and mindful living. Looking to develop a sustainable tiny resort? Contact ArcMax. Architects today at plus 91 98 98 39 0866 and bring your vision to life.